Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing well and want to go ahead and get us started in or continue in the course regarding how we're going to report the activity for this class. Okay, many of you have already participated in the discussions. You're doing very well. You got some really thoughtful and insightful comments regarding technology and fitness. So today I just want to talk about the types or the ways that we're going to post our activity in the course. You have options. You can choose a credible app that will report your activity, and essentially you're going to upload your screenshot weekly of your particular activity. So I'm going to show you a few examples of how you would do that. All right. So on my phone, I've got Nike Run Club app. That's going to be at the top right there. Okay, Nike Run Club. So for example, I'm going to click on the Nike Run Club. All right. And let's get this Wi-Fi going. There we go. All right. So I'm scheduled to do a recovery run. Okay. But I want to go to activity. So if you just by chance already have the Nike Run Club app, you can use this to report your activity as well, especially if you're enrolled in online jogging and online um, personal fitness, because you can use the same activity for both classes as long as you're reporting them correctly. So I'm going to go to my activity. All right, so I did what's called the Mamba Run. All right, 8 and 24. Shout out to Kobe Bryant. So that's what I did the other day. But if I want to share this run on my iPhone, I'm going to click these three dots. On the Android, it's going to be a different icon. So if you have an Android, you want to play around with that a little bit. But I want to share. All right, I want to share. Okay, hopefully y'all can see this. So when I hit share, I have this option. All right, of taking a photo. Okay, since I've got this marathon, let's see, we'll go this way. Since I got a half marathon towel in the back, I'm just gonna pretend like this is a selfie. All right, so at this point, if you're using the Nike Run Club app, you'll go ahead and take a selfie to help verify that you actually did. Okay, now I click right here on at the bottom on the gauges so you can see your run data. Now at this point, you can go ahead and screenshot the photo. Okay, screenshot the photo, and you'll save it or email it to yourself. Okay, and then you will upload the image in the assignment tab for week 4 assignment, for example. Okay, and we're going to take our time because I want to make sure everybody gets this right. So that's one example. All right. The next example would be just my activity. All right, some of you may have the Apple Watch. All right, I don't have my Apple Watch on at the moment, but this will sync to your Apple Watch, and then you could screenshot it, the same thing, save it. It will email it to yourself, upload it as a attachment to the submission part of week 4, or any week for that matter. But we're going to stay on week 4 until we get this right. All right, because we are adjusting to Blackboard Ultra as well. All right. Now, another example. So I have the Nike trainers. So you saw earlier NRC. Okay. Now this is NTC. Okay. Nike Training Club right here. So we click on it. It's going to open right here. Again, I can set my watch up, but I don't have it on. So we're going to go not now. But it's got different workouts. All right. That you can use personally. And most of them are free. Okay. So you don't have to buy the premium. Okay. But I'm going to go to activity. So what you'll see is I did one workout, and it shows 5 minutes because after I ran, I did a 5-minute ab workout, and you can even do it as an achievement. Okay, and that's the achievement. Let's click on that so you can see. So it's basically a Nike ball, med ball, and workout milestone activity number 1. Now I'll screenshot it. Okay, email it to myself and upload it in the submission portion for the particular week. Okay. So already those are 3 ways, okay, that you can do it. I'll show you another one, but I think we should have it. Hopefully I'm giving you enough examples, okay, where we can manage this. So you see TRX, okay, TRX. So TRX is resistance training, suspension training. So same thing here. I could go to my workouts, and once the workout is finished, let's just say I want to do suspension training, how to. So it starts. I can download it. Okay, and now this one I do pay a monthly membership. So if you don't mind paying $2 to $3 a month for some fitness apps on your phone, then you can pay for some as well. And then same thing at the end, at the conclusion of this workout, you will screenshot it, email it to yourself, and um, that way you can email it to me. You can upload. Upload it in the submission portion. All right. So we're going to try that. I'm going to set the assignment up and put a link to this video, and then hopefully we start to get the assignments coming in. And for the first activity, let's just do a workout, or if you're going to do some cardio, about 20 minutes. Let's just get about 20 minutes of activity in so that we can make sure we know which app we're going to use. Okay, you don't have to use these that I have, but make sure you choose a credible app that can verify that is you. Okay, that's why I like the Nike Run Club, because it puts the picture up. But either way, let's make sure it's a good app, and then let's start to get the submissions in and go from there. And I'll see how you all are doing and check back in. Thanks.